Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for coming to this presentation. I am glad to see you all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Renaldi Abadi. You can call me Aldi. I am a college student at Bina Sarana Informatika, majoring in Business Administration, and my name 221903888. In this opportunity, I would like to present the news product from our company. The news product is Pot Fab Oppo Vinci Air. Vinci Air is not just a new version of Vinci. This is a versatile pot that combines exquisite and compact product with the fun of tapping. Lighter than and watch, but rich in features. Auto and manual dual start mode, suitable liquid freebase and liquid sonic. The rich and economical PNP coils creates wonderful flavor. Vinci Air uses the same matte metal painting process as cars and has a further texture. It also has a beautiful inward looking screen that display parameters and the numbers of suction part are real time. Okay, then I want to explain the component used by the vaporizer. In general, the vaporizer consists of 6 main components, namely drip or drip tip, atomizer, pot or mode, liquid, battery, and charger. Okay, first, the drip or drip tip. This is the very tip of the fab that we use to suck the vapor product by fab. Okay. 2. The auto measure. This auto measure. The auto measure, one part of the vaporizer, which consists of the tube tank, coil, cotton, air liquid, which serve to heat the air liquid into steam. The function of the coils itself is as a heater for a air liquid. Cotton function as a media for suctioning air liquid or evaporating air liquid. And last, tube tank serve to hold air liquid. 3. Pot or mode. Pots are part of the vaporizer, which usually to the form of a tube or box, which function in accommodate the battery and the supporting electrical chip component to be fit to the coil. 4. A liquid. Wait, I have one. This. A liquid is a liquid mixture consisting of several ingredients, such as water, vegetable glycerin or VG, propylene glycol or PG, nicotine, and flavoring, which will later turn into steam so that we can suck it through drips. Last, battery and charge or charger. This charge. The function of the battery is to store electrical energy to run the liquid process in the atomizer. In this Vinci Air, the battery is embedded in the pot. Battery function is to recharge a battery that has been used up. Okay, now I will give an explain of how to use Vinci Air. First all, take the atomizer out of the pot and fill the atomizer with a liquid. Make sure the coils are installed correctly. Then fill a liquid into the atomizer. Then plug it back into the pot. When finished, press the power button, then suction from the drip. and the vapor product by the liquid comes out. Okay. The conclusion is pot vape Vinci Air is used for people to stop smoking because the nicotine content in the cigarettes is greater than the nicotine in a liquid. Okay, thank you for your attention. I finished this presentation. Good night. Wassalam.